Matthew, and he's going to be performing the manual muscle test for trunk flexion. Okay, so for a 3 out of 5 grade, Matthew, what we're going to have you do is we're going to have you crunch up here, and we're going to see if your scapula clear off the table. Okay, so go ahead and flex up for me. Good, and flex with that. Good, so that would be a 3 out of 5. Good, and then Matthew, go ahead and cross your arms here across your chest. And same thing, go ahead and lean up. Good, and that would be a 4 out of 5 manual muscle testing for trunk flexion. Good, and then Matthew, go ahead and place your hands here. Good, and then go ahead one more time for me, lean up. Good, excellent, and that would be a 5 out of 5. Good, next we're gonna move into the trunk extension manual muscle testing. So Matt, if you could go ahead and lay prone for me. Good, and I'll have you have your arms to your side. Good, and now what we're looking for is for your sternum to clear the table here, okay? So for the first manual muscle test grade, this would be a 3 out of 5. So Matthew, if you can go ahead and kind of using here, I'm gonna go ahead and support the distal end of your legs here, okay? Good, so go ahead and lean up for me. Good, excellent, and right back down. Good, so then a 4 out of 5, I want you to go ahead and place your arms behind your back. Good, go ahead and lean up for me. Good, excellent. Good, and last one, your hands will be here on your head, okay? Right there, perfect. Okay, hold on. And go ahead and lean up one more time. Good, and that would be a 5 out of 5 trunk extension manual muscle testing. The next manual muscle test that Matthew will be performing will be the trunk rotation manual muscle test. In this one, we will be rotating to his left, so we'll be testing the left internal oblique and the right external oblique. So for the first one, Matthew, we're gonna have you flex up, and then you're gonna rotate to your left here to see if that scapula clears the table. Okay? So go ahead and lean up. Go ahead and rotate. Good, excellent. Good, and this time that would be a 3 out of 5 manual muscle test for the trunk rotation. This time I want you to go ahead and have your arms across your chest. Good, and same thing here, Matthew, go ahead and flex up and rotate. Good, excellent. Right back down, and that would be a 4 out of 5. And then go ahead and place your hands here. Good, and one last time for me, go ahead and lean up and rotate. Good job, well done. Good, and then that would be a 5 out of 5 manual muscle test for the trunk rotation. Now we're going to move into a goniometric measurement of active range of motion for trunk rotation. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stand up. Okay, go ahead and rotate to your left. Good, and so for his rotation, he had 40 degrees there, so he would be in normal range of motion, because normal range of motion for the trunk rotation is 0 to 45 degrees. The next measurement I will be taking is the trunk lateral flexion, and the stationary arm is going to be perpendicular with the floor here, and then we'll have the axis here about S1, and then the moving arm will be perpendicular with T1. Okay. And then Matthew, I'm going to go ahead and have you laterally bend to the right for me. Good. Good, so that would be about a 33. Good, Matthew, go ahead and lean to the left now. Good job. And that was a 30. So he would be considered normal, because normal range of motion is for trunk lateral flexion is 0 to 35 degrees.